In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides stored in Dropbox, and what you'll need to know about setup and limitations. To ensure a seamless collaboration experience across both platforms, there are a few important steps and requirements to keep in mind. First off, it's crucial that you're signed into both your Google account and your Dropbox account using the same email address for both. Dropbox specifies that this is needed to enable full integration between the two services, so it's a foundational step you don't want to overlook. Now, to get started, head over to Dropbox via your web browser. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to store your Google file, or you can choose to create a new folder specifically for this purpose. Once you're in the desired directory, click on Create, and then choose whether you want to make a Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Slide. By doing so, you're effectively creating a new file stored within Google Drive. A convenient shortcut, a .web file, will appear in your Dropbox folder, pointing directly to the Google file. With that shortcut in Dropbox, you can go ahead and click on it. This will open up your Google file in its respective editor, whether that's Docs, Sheets, or Slides. The beauty of this setup is that collaborators who have access via Google can edit the document in real time, just as they would with any native Google file. When it comes to sharing and collaborating, it's essential to use Google's share settings. This means inviting collaborators directly through Google, establishing their editing, viewing, or commenting rights, because, at the core, the file resides in Google Drive. Meanwhile, Dropbox's sharing settings offer an additional layer of control. By adjusting these settings, you can manage who within Dropbox has access to the shortcut and, consequently, to the Google file itself. There's also an alternative method to streamline access. You can add that Google file shortcut to a shared Dropbox folder. This way, anyone who is a member of that shared folder automatically gains access to the shortcut, and therefore, to the Google document. As collaborators begin to perform edits using Google's tools, you'll find that changes synchronize in real time. This is exactly how changes would typically update in any Google file, with Dropbox serving more as the organizer or host of the shortcuts, while Google Drive manages the editing functions. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively collaborate on Google files stored within Dropbox, benefiting from the strengths of both platforms. Remember, understanding the integration between Google Drive and Dropbox is key to making the most of this setup.